So my goal is to basically create a browser agent that would search for certain queries within, let's say, Google search or even Google Maps, depending on how we wish to extract the data. It can do both maps as well as Google search. So Browserbase is one of those places where you can actually use the platform to extract your data. You have to sign up and get your mobile number and email verified, then they would give you access to the dashboard where you can see they would allow you to read from web and then extract data, and then even you can automate to write the form, etc. Right? So our use case is basically creating an agent that will extract the content from web, right? So if we go to the place where, let's say, settings, where you can see the API key, it is kept on hidden and you can always regenerate new. So what we will do is we will basically open anti-gravity ID and we will open a folder where we will create this project. Let's give it a name that we want to say create a browser agent. So this agent will basically scrape certain amount of content from maps or Google search. So our prompt would be create a browser agent that can query into Google Maps or Google search for, say, Wyoming Sheridan seafood restaurants, right? And if we don't find them over there, considering it's not near sea, right, so we can always go with restaurants, right? So we will come up with a lot of list. So what we can do is get top 10 results and then create a landing page where those searches can be displayed in a table form. We extract address, name of place, that's to place, phone, and let's say email, website, data, right? Present it in table like form for easy reading and allow export in JSON data, right? So we can also get to save it in database of our choice, right? So basically our browser agent will do this work. Keep the landing page in white background and accent colors, no dark mode, because just make it easy and simple to read and not turn it into dark mode type of website, right? So this is basically lead extraction page, so we want to make it simple to read and view, right? And that's pretty much it. We can develop on it with multiple queries if we want to. We will make use of the Browserbase agent API, right? And API key would be, we will basically go into dashboard and copy this by clicking on this button. Next we will also give instruction, save this in .env file, read the docs for information if you get stuck, right? We'll also give it some documentation link where this sort of example is easily done. So if we take a look at the quick start, it will tell you what to do with it, right? So Python is there, Node.js is there, and we can even use Selenium, Puppeteer, and so on, right? So if you check the ability for browser session, you can see it can create that. It can even does the search part, right? So you can see it can do the search, and we want to use 10 results from page, so that's one of the thing we can also add up, right? So our goal is basically give it the option for browsers, right? So this is one page, right? And another page we can also offer, which is specific to search, because we want it to do that, right? And also we will see if we can save this data and do anything data retrieval, right? So browser agent is one, so we'll create that link to here. Now apart from this, we can also do data retrieval. So we have given enough links for it to work with. You can use, let's see, white framework with React and, right? So pretty much every instruction is given, we will let it run. So our goal of creating a browser agent, then making a query to Google Maps or search, and then fetch those restaurant with 10 results so far and display in a landing page, right? So basically we are making it very simple for agent to display that, and we are not creating a lead extractor landing page as such, just this one, right? So initially you have to give some permission, so allow it to save your .env file as well. It will start building the rest. It has already came up with the implementation plan, right? So scrape a script, then landing page using white background, premium accent colors, right? So we will get to filter, search and export data to JSON. So that's also done, right? So it's kind of like a typical browser agent that does one-off tasks. Now we can see that it has implemented all the required points of implementation plan, and it has created this browser agent, right? So you can see it has also have this particular .env file where our API key is stored, right? Next is, if we go back to scraper agent, we have to also check the browser interface. So first we will take a look at the front-end client, right? Use control and hit on this particular URL, then backend API, right? So here we have to wait for this particular page to load. In backend you can see we are having issues, so we take a look at this part on what is limiting it, right? So it has started running in the background, so I need to check the terminal whether it is running anything. Currently you can see it had issues with the tailwind CSS, so we may want to check the terminal, right? So here you can see it has scraped the top 10 of those restaurants, and some of them have website and 2 of them are missing, right? I purposefully made this with light theme instead of going dark mode, because some of the time such type of interface is easier to view, right? Here you can see I can search restaurants or phone numbers through this, right? You can again run the scraper agent, and we have made this specifically for this location, and if you want to change the location, change the whole search query, then you may have to fix few lines. But our specific browser agent was meant to extract this query, so restaurants within Sheridan, right, which is in Wyoming state of USA, and this is the address, phone, emails and website. We have extracted this particular data, right? So basically we fulfilled our criteria for creating browser agent, and we made use of one of the Browserbase API and extracted this data. If you want to change the queries, you have to change the implementation plan and improve on that part, right? You can also create, let's say, set of queries where they can be used as a tag cloud, right? So if you are regularly going through them, simply select them from the drop down and they will update here, right? So this can be turned into multi-query lead generator option, and you can definitely try to use that, right? And I have just limited this to 10 results. You can obviously extend this to 100, 500, and however number that can be, and this would be easier for you to then turn it into a database. So this is how your browser agent is working to extract data from Google Maps and Google search query.